Shandong JINMA Holding Company Limited is a company specialized in the operating of new type energy-saving electric vehicles. Our association company covers an area of 270,000 square meters. The standardized plant covers an area of 150,000 square meters. There are more than 700 employees, including 50 senior engineers. Our association company was founded in 2001 with advanced production technology. Now we have 4 production lines for heavy-duty motorcycles, 2 cathodic electrophoresis coating lines, 2 motorcycle inspection lines for all models, 2 automatic paint lines, 3 body welding lines, 2 frame production lines, and various testing equipment. In order to improve production capacity, invested a large amount to build 4 modern production lines, such as sheet metal press lines, automated coating lines, welding lines, and assembly lines. There are more than 100,000 of various types have been sold to more than 30 countries such as Europe, the United States, Central Asia, Southeast Asia, and other parts of the world, has won great praise from the world's clients. Our product positioning is the delivery solution for the last mile of the city. Cold chain, takeaway, express delivery, logistics, and supermarket distribution. It is the short-distance cargo transportation vehicle within the city and driving for shopping, daily commute, and equipped with 105Ah and 206Ah lithium battery. Max distance 100 km with fast charge system. Whole cover with ABS resin plastic. Have excellent comprehensive physical, impact resistance, stability, 2/3 lighter weight than iron.